Okay, first you need to spawn a military helicopter. Then make the code never get police after you.
We cannot come.
Then you need to set the red dot right there. Ah, stupid car.
So
Then, and after we set the red dot, so fly we to the red dot. Yeah. Yes, and they are stupid car. That stupid car stopped the plan. So no. Spawn another. Yes. Then fly to the red dot. Okay? Yes. There, the red dot are very funny. Yeah, you can walk in the sky. Yes. But it's hard to walk on the sky. You need to perform codes, and you have not to complete the game. When you complete the game, you can do this. Remember that. So are we there? Then go on the sky. Wow! Then you can walk on the sky. And there are not cheats. Oh, sorry. Shit. That is not